Today we are going to learn how to trim. First, take the wire, cut it. Okay, now it's cut. Now it is cut. So after that, in order to crimp, you must need this device. This is here by dealing. You just put your wire in this one. You can see this. Now you are going to crimp. You have to give very little force. Now we can remove this. See, here we are having so many wires like blue white blue, orange white orange, green white green, and orange brown white brown. So this is for support. We can remove this. Be careful with knives and make sure you are not cutting other wires. Okay, now it is ready. Now your first thing is you have to land the wires colors. So the color code is orange white orange, then green white blue, then blue white green, and finally brown white brown. So we are going to make this in that order. First one is orange white. This is orange white orange. So now it is ready. Orange white orange, then green white blue. Make sure you are taking the correct color code. Okay, so now orange white orange, this is green white. After green white blue, blue, orange white orange, green white blue, then blue white green. So now we are at this one is orange white orange, green now just to see orange white orange, then green white blue, and blue white green, then brown white brown. Now we made it in the order, so we have to make it stiff in order to crimp. Okay, now after assigning this, we are just going to cut this one. Okay. Cut and make it in a straight line. Okay. Okay, now it is ready. Just we are just inserting. See here we are inserting, and you have to check whether it is fixed correctly or not. Okay, orange white orange, green white blue, blue white green, brown white brown. So it is now inserted. So this is from dealing. Here we can use 3 modules. So this one is 8P, 6P, and 4P. Okay. So now we are using with 8P. Okay, how to carefully insert yours into here and make sure this is in the same level. Okay, this will be in the same level. After getting same level, just to press this like this. Just to press, you will be hearing a small sound. After that, it is ready. Okay, so now it is ready. So this is how we are crimping. Okay, so from this video you learn how to crimp wires. Okay, see you.